Hey you guys, it's me, Renaissance Austin, and tonight I'm showing you a product that I've created, but I want to say that I've been crocheting my own washcloths for a very long time. And as I've used the crocheted washcloths, which are done with natural cotton, I just noticed over the years how it really polished my skin and exfoliated my skin. And then I had a thought one day. I was like, why don't I create something to exfoliate and polish my face? And I came up with this cute little dilly. They're crochet rounds. And honestly, it's very simple. When I'm doing my skincare routine, if I could show that, it opens up. I stick my fingers inside, and as you can see, it is all natural cotton, coarse cotton, and this is how I exfoliate my face. And usually I do all of my face stuff in the shower, but I wanted to do this on video. You see I have a little bit of mascara. I kind of just did like this and didn't do anything to my face. So I'm going to show you now how I use my face polisher. So first, I'm going to run some water and get it all wet. And I have a beauty bar. This is a shea butter beauty bar. Now you see it's circular. I can literally drop this in here if I want, but really I don't need to get this super sudsy. So I put my cotton round here on my hand just like that. Run it under the water with my beauty bar. So as you can see, that's nice and sudsy, especially on that side. I usually only do one side. Then I start going in like this. I really like to dig in. I really like to get around the side of the mouth, because usually this area here tends to darken up because we don't pay as much attention to it here and here. I did attend cosmetology school. Hair, skin, and nails. I feel like people who go to cosmetology school, beauty school, or makeup school, or esthetician training, or anything like that, I feel like we're always like looking for that next thing. Whether it's cheap or it's expensive, or I think we love to like try out things. As I said, I got some mascara under there. Look it under the eyes. And I just keep massaging in circular motions, and it's really good for blood circulation. I like to get into the eye. You see a little bit of mascara left over. Okay. It's very important with the cotton that you get all of the soap out. This is why I don't necessarily put soap inside of the little pocket, and it's also why I only put soap on one side. Cotton also takes a little bit longer time to dry than other fibers. If I'm not wasting too much energy, I like to throw my cotton washcloths and my crochet rounds in the dryer when I'm done. But otherwise, it's not really much of a problem. Like once you use your washcloth and then you wring it out as good as you can, get all the soap out as much as you can, and hang it up like a regular washcloth. So I like to wring out as much water. Okay, that's good. Then I go back in without any soap, and I do a dry scrub, especially on the side of the nose where skin tends to build up. I do my lips too, softens my lips. So you see all the blood coming to the surface. Get a little rough. Switch sides. All those skin cells. And go up the nose. You can already see the polish coming through. It's beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, this is almost as dry of a rub as we're gonna get. I usually go over I know where my rough areas are. Feels good. Good to go over. If you feel any rough areas, you can keep going. But you can see already the skin is brighter. Usually I get rough areas here. I'm just feels good all over by the mouth. And there's a little pimple that I scrubbed off. Okay, so I love the way it feels. Then I rinse my face one more time. That looks good. I love it. All right. So what I do is go through, still got it. Make sure get more water out of it. Okay. Because I thought about it. I was like, you know, I use cotton to polish my jewelry. You can use tea cloths to polish your jewelry. And I thought like, well, if the cotton is getting the tarnish and everything off my jewelry, then I figure it'll do the same for my face. And if the washcloth is making my skin polished and soft, it will do the same thing for my face. So as you can see, in about a couple of minutes, you can already see the beautiful polish and shine coming in on the nose. That's usually the first place where I notice. And that's how I pat dry. Okay. So before I put any of my nighttime products on, I let everything dry. I give it about 5 minutes. I'll be right back. Ta-da! You guys, look at this. Bright, polished face. Everything feels tingly and beautiful. This is just a spritz. I start with this. And I get products from all over the place. The dollar store, listen, I'm a dollar store queen. I'm gonna have to do a video for that too. A little bit of that. I was supporting a Mary Kay consultant. And I've always liked Mary Kay's eye cream. I used to use it in the past. So we put a little bit of eye cream on tonight. It's very soft and gentle. Ooh, too much. So you guys, the spa sets are coming to my website. My whole website is I'm redoing it. I have the nighttime, time-wise, which sometimes I think I'll use both. I got this from the dollar store, the Pond's. I love it. Pond's is like OG, like super traditional. And this is the nighttime Mary Kay. quarantine eyebrows. And you know what? I'll go ahead and put this on top. Normally I put this one on first, but I'll put this on and we're good. Then I'll go finish watching Friends. I'm telling y'all, watch Friends every night is not a good thing. It just isn't. One time, I watched Friends all the way till 3. But how about this? Me falling asleep and then waking up every 2 hours laughing. Please, don't fall asleep watching Friends. Oh, it's beautiful. And this Pond's, it really makes the skin feel very nice and tight. And there's the skin, beautiful, glowing. Spa sets will be available. They're all shot. The soaps are made by Mar Creations, my bestie, sistie in the whole world. Really beautiful soaps. That's it for tonight. So I'm off to bed so I can be up early in the morning. Keep God close to your heart and pray. All right. Good night.